All right, standing ovation here, ripping down a blaster of 22-23 O-Pee-Chee hockey. See what we can get. Let's do 2 more packs. Gotta check out all my other videos, check out my other shorts, and I kill this box. All right, let's see what happens. Suitor, Tanev. Okay, there's a yellow bordered Duncan Keith. Cal Burrows Retro. Okposo. Mitchie Marner, Marino, Fairby, Walla, Roslovic, Caden Gooley, another Habs rookie. Where did I put my rookies up there? Oh, I buried them. Bobby Brink, yellow rookie. Artem Zub, blue border. Coleman, Couturier, Jordan Kyrou. Cool. All right, check out my other videos, and I got 2 to go.